What's going on, guys, and welcome to episode 3 of Dirt Cheap Jeeps. When we ended the last video, I went ahead and said there was really nothing wrong with my Jeep. Well, on the ride home from the Airbnb we were staying at, I realized there was definitely something wrong with my Jeep. So, what I'm doing today is I'm tearing up the transfer case and rebuilding everything in it, and as well as just going through and just doing a general all the way around, check everything out. I'm doing new axle seals, and new valve cover gasket, just all the little things that everybody tends to kind of neglect. But all said and done, I'm gonna have her done here in the next 2 days, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for it. So, all right, show you guys what's going on. Alright, so we got the front axles pulled out. Got everything pulled off of there. So, what I've been doing is I've been cleaning axle shafts. So I got that one done. And this one down there all rusted and corroded and whatnot. So, my next step is to go in here and clean out the tube for where that new seal is gonna sit. In the process of that, we have the transfer case pulled out and it's draining, and we're about to start the rebuild on that. That was just so tedious; it wouldn't even been fun to film. So, and while we have everything apart, we're gonna go ahead and throw new rotors and pads on it. Yeah, so this is sometimes the downside of having a cheap Jeep is you end up having to throw lots of money at it, but still a cheap Jeep, so I'm having fun. Anyways, we are gonna continue working, but yeah. And we just looked in here. This is supposed to be ATF, and sure, it's a red color, but that ain't ATF. It's I don't know what it is, but that's crazy. Anyways, so we're gonna get back to it. Alright, so what we're doing here is just cleaning up maintenance surfaces, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all this done. Can't get this guy off, so we're breaking out the acetylene torch to warm it up.
So the transfer case is officially blown apart and getting rebuilt. You gotta pull the bearings, do all that fun stuff. So, yep, got a new chain and gears up here. You know, whole rebuild kit over there. So yeah, just a quick check-in. Also, we got the new axle seals in. Got everything put back together. All we have left to do is go pick up stuff to do the brakes. We got new bearings going in. This is going bye-bye. Swap it in those. All right, time for an update. Transfer case. Transfer case is in. Drive shafts are hooked back up, except for one bolt in the back, which we're going to go pick up. I currently have the differentials. Drain. We're getting them cleaned up and we're going to put the brakes on. We had to pull everything back apart this morning. So forgot to put the shield on. So anyways, the front is officially done. The back. The back is right there, and as you can see, I got me a weld deal. But anyways, yeah, so we're basically just trying to get this all done and slap back together. We still have to pull the ass end apart and do the bearings and seals in the back. So, anyways, getting her done. All right, we're coming into the final stretch. Dad's down there putting torque on the rear end and filling it full of fluid. The front is torqued and filled. Just got all the area prepped for my valve cover gasket. Getting ready to throw that on. And then technically after that, I believe we are done. Oh, and Dad also went through and tightened up my steering stabilizer because it had play in it for some reason. But anyways, yeah. All right, bye.